Are you looking for the best scroll saws? In this video, we will break down the top 4 scroll saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT Scroll Saw. This 20-inch variable speed scroll saw is an excellent choice for serious wood artisans. It is designed with a double parallel arm that minimizes noise and vibration. Plus, the saw features a thin yet strong metal hold-down foot designed not to block your line of sight. The on/off switch, the tension lever, and the speed adjustment are all located on the front of the tool for easy access. The saw table tilts up to 45 degrees to the left and the right for cutting bevels. It's available with an LED light and an air blower but no dust collection port. The saw accepts plain end blades. Stroke speed is adjustable from 400 to 1750 SPM, making this scroll saw perfect for cutting both soft and hardwoods, as well as plastic and sheet metal. At number 2. Delta Power Tools Scroll Saw. This 20-inch scroll saw from Delta Power Tools has more than enough room and oomph to handle projects of all shapes and sizes. Tackle larger woodworking projects with a scroll saw that offers plenty of power and a greater throat depth. The table tilts between 0 and 45 degrees to allow for beveling. Plus, for added convenience, the upper arm can be lifted and locked into position when making blade changes or adjusting blade angle. You'll appreciate speeds up to 1750 strokes per minute to cut through even tough woods like walnut, and the dust hose efficiently keeps up with sawdust as you work, keeping pattern lines or the work surface free of dust and debris. At number 3. General International EXCALIBUR Scroll Saw. This saw offers home woodworkers and professionals lots of woodcrafting functionality and reliable accuracy. Smart design features include upper and lower parallel arms which give you better control and increased accuracy. This design keeps the blade straight with minimal blade deflection and prevents any accidental hand contact with the blade during use. Built with a strong variable speed 1.3 amp motor, the EXCALIBUR has ample power and a wide 400 to 1400 SPM variable speed range. The sturdy and spacious 12x18.5-inch square table gives you plenty of room for a 2-inch thick workpiece and its tilts 30 degrees left and 45 degrees right. For even more safety, a brand new switch protection device prevents unintentional startups. Changing the blade is super quick with just a touch of your finger and there are no tools required. A cleaner work environment can be achieved with the dust collector table kit that can be attached to a shop vac. At number 4. Rockwell ShopSeries Scroll Saw. The ShopSeries 16 inches scroll saw is equipped with a 1.2 amp motor, making it ideal for powering through a variety of woodworking jobs such as making intricate cuts, curves, and joints. Variable speed control and a 3/4 inch stroke ensure clean accurate cuts, while the die-cast aluminum table bevels from 0 to 45 degrees to ensure precision and accuracy. Throat depth of 16 inches providing a cutting capacity of 2 inches at 90 degrees and 1/3/16 at 45 degrees. Equipped with a built-in blower to keep dust from blocking the view of the work and a dust collection port to keep the work area clean. This scroll saw includes 2 durable 5 inches tungsten carbide blades with a throat depth of 16 inches providing a cutting capacity of 2 inches at 90 degrees and 1/3/16 inches at 45 degrees, and the onboard storage prevents blades from getting lost or damaged. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty that protects against defects in materials and workmanship.